Hi cuties, good morning to all. Today in Max we are going to see bookwork. Okay, in bookwork what they have given subtraction. Okay, first you have to know what is subtraction. Still now you have learned addition. Okay, this is addition symbol. You all know no, plus is the addition symbol. Same like this. This is a subtraction symbol. This is minus. Okay, by keeping this only you can identify this is addition or subtraction. Okay, da? For addition plus, for subtraction minus. Okay, addition means adding two numbers. See da? Now you have two chocolate. Okay, you have two chocolate ma. Then what happened? Again your friend is giving you again two chocolate. Okay, so two chocolate, again two chocolate. Then you have to add. Okay, 2 plus 2 equal to 4 chocolate now you are having. Okay, this is only addition. Okay, you know no. Then for subtraction, now you are having same 2 chocolate you are having. Okay, now you are having 4 chocolate. Okay, subtraction. Okay, you are having 4 chocolate ma. In 4 chocolate no, your mother is asking give 2 chocolate. Okay, so you are giving your mother 2 chocolate. Okay, now this is subtraction. You gave your mother no, so it is minus. You have 4 chocolate. Now how many chocolate is remaining? 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Okay, addition means how you can keep in your mind means addition means your mother is giving something to you. Adding. Now we are having 2. Again she is giving 2. So it is 4. This is addition. You have more chocolate no, now. Now subtraction means you have 4. But your mother is asking 2. You have only 2. Minus. You have 4. But now you have only 2. Okay, that only difference. Can you understand difference ma? Addition means someone is giving you. Your mother is giving you. Subtraction means your mother is getting from you. Okay da? See, same. First for addition 3, 5 plus. Okay. Now how we learn 3 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. This you all know very well addition. Okay. Same in subtraction no. Whenever first number will be the big number. Okay, this is small number, second number small number. Same only we have given symbol, it's main important mark. Now we have 5 fingers. First you should not keep in your mind. First you have taken your finger. Okay, you have to take 5 finger. In 5 finger you have to close 3 finger. 1, 2, 3. How many remaining is there? 2. Okay, see same. 4, 1. Okay, by keeping chocolate itself we can see now we have 4 chocolate. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, in 4 symbol is very important. In 4 your mother is your friend or your mother is asking 1 chocolate. Okay, 1 chocolate. See 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this your mother is asking 1 chocolate, then remaining is 3. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to take 4 finger. In 4 finger how many finger you have to close? 1 finger. Then what is remaining? 3 fingers. Okay, see the 6, 3, 5. Okay, now see same only we have done here. Okay, by keeping the chocolate also we can do 1, 5. Take 5 fingers. How many fingers you have to close ma? 1 finger. What is remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is only subtraction. Okay, addition means someone is giving you. Your mother is giving you extra chocolate. Okay. Subtraction means your mother is getting chocolate from you. Keep like that. Okay, now we can say bookwork ma. If you know this only you can do bookwork. So only ma'am teached you a subtraction. This only subtraction. Same like this. See 4, 0. Okay, now 0. Now you have 4 chocolate. Okay da, 4 chocolate, 4 fingers. Okay, you can see by chocolate also, you can see by fingers also. Now your mother is getting 0. Okay, she is not getting anything. 0 means she is not getting anything. So what is remaining? Same 4. In addition also 4, 0. How I teach you, if you cancel 0, 4 same you can write. Same in subtraction also, if 0 comes you can cancel same what is there you can write. Okay da? Okay, now all take your book ma. In book take page number 9. Did you all take page number 9 ma? See in page number 9, see unit 2 numbers they have given. Okay, see they have given on picture there is a tree and a mango fruit. Okay, then birds also is there. First they have given 2 box. No, in first box total number of fruits in the tree. You have to count how many fruits in the tree. Okay, first you count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So in first box you have to write 9. Okay, see down total number of birds in the picture. You have to see how many birds in the picture. You can count how many birds. 1 2 3 4 5. If every bird eats one fruit, how many fruits will remain in the trees? See last what they are asking. They are asking question. So this side no, after that question mark question you have to write. Okay, what you have to write means 9 minus 5 equal to 9 minus 5. You have take 9 fingers. Okay da, take 9 fingers. In 9 fingers if you minus 5 remaining is 4. So you have to write the answer as 4. Okay da. See next what they have given, subtraction. Okay, they have given down boxes there. No, 7 minus 3. So first you have to take 7 finger. If you close 3 fingers, what will be the answer? 4 fingers will be remaining. Okay, then see next 2 minus 1. First you have to take 2 fingers ma. There if you minus 1 no, what the answer? 1 only remaining. Then 5 minus 4. Take 5 fingers. In 5 fingers you close 4 fingers ma. If you close 4 fingers, what is the answer? Remaining is 1. Then 9 minus 2. Take 9 fingers. If you close 2 fingers, remaining will be 7. See in this green box, 8 minus 4. We take 8 fingers. In that if you close 4 fingers, no, what will be the remaining? 4. Then take 3 fingers. If you close 1 finger, remaining will be 2. Minus means you have to close your fingers. Okay da. Then take 6 fingers. If you close 5 fingers, remaining will be 1. See down, subtraction 1 from any number gives its preceding number. See 9 minus 1, 8. 5 minus 1, 4. 8 minus 1, 7. 4 minus 1, 3. Okay, just you have to close one finger. Only 1 if you minus no, before number you can write. 9 minus 1 means after before 9 what will come? 8. Okay, separating the, see they have given 7 minus 6. From 7 if you minus 6 no, what will be the answer? 1. 3 minus 2 1. 6 minus 5 1. 9 minus 8 1. 1 1 1 only answer. Okay da, you can know easily. Then take page number 10 ma. In 10 what they have given, care the nature. I have told you to plant a plant. Did you plant? If you plant no, you can see, go to your garden and you can see many flowers there. See that girl also, she is daily she is pouring water and she like the flowers very much. See number of flowers in the plant, 3. How many numbers is there? 3. Number of flowers plucked by the girl is, how many flowers she have plucked? The nothing. She never plucked it. She told no, same. First picture also 3 only, second picture also 3 only. So 0. Flowers left in the plant, same 3. I have told you no, if any 0 comes you can cancel it. Before what number is there, same number you can write. See subtraction using story. Subtracting 0 from any number gives the same number. See now that one duck is coming, 3 butterflies are there. Okay, so I missed them. It comes to catch and eat them, but they have flew away. So the duck is saying I missed them. So how many butterflies are remaining? The same 3. Okay, 3 minus 3 equal to 3. If 0 come means what? I told you no, you can cancel it. Same remaining number you can write. Now take page number 11 da. See in that one boy is there. There on tree and fruits is there. In the tree how many fruits is there? You can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 minus, that boy is trying to pluck the fruit but no fruit fell down. Okay, so it's 0. So what is the remaining answer? 7. Same, that fruits is same is there. Okay, so if it comes 0 no, same number you can write. See 2 minus 0, 2. 4 minus 0, if 0 comes, you can cancel every 0, same number you can write. Okay da. See down, draw suitable picture and complete the subtraction fact. In there you can draw circle, you can draw 4 circle, then in down box now you can write 4. 4 minus 0 equal to, if it nothing, center box now you should not draw anything, last box same 4 circle you have to draw. Okay, 4 minus 0 equal to 4. Now subtracting any number with the same number gives 0. 6 now, all take 6 fingers ma, in 6 fingers now if you close 6 fingers also, what will be the answer? 0 only. Say true or false. 8 minus 8 equal to 0, 7 minus 0 equal to 0, 4 minus 4 equal to 0. If 0 comes, 7 minus 0 equal to 0, they are asking the question. Okay, 8 minus 0 equal to 0, 7 minus 0 equal to 0, no, it should be 7. Okay, so they are asking this is true or false. This is false because 7 minus 0 equal to 7. Okay da. Today's book work is over. Ma'am will see you in next class. Okay ma, thank you.